Oh, hey there everybody. D-Doc here again. And happy Halloween, wearing my costume, ugly sweater. So I'm out here. Had a failed cold start on that snapper riding mower, so didn't post a video about that. But decided while I was out here I was going to go ahead and drain the gas out of the gas tank and the carburetor, which I did that. That wasn't anything interesting to watch on the snapper mower. And I thought I'd go ahead and drain the gas tank on the MTD Push Mower. And what we're going to do is fire it up with what gas is left in the carburetor. Got the handle clamped down, pumped up the carburetor, going to see if it's going to fire up, and then we'll just run it out of gas. Give it a couple pull starts, see if it'll fire up. Might not be enough gas left in the carburetor. Watch out for the ugly sweater. Boo. Try it one more time. Wah, wah, wah. Looks like there ain't no more gas into it. So sad. Thanks for watching and commenting.